Aloha.
Yes, sir.
What's happening? What's happening? They're down there already.
Oh, they went down already.
Yeah. You just missed them like about.
Oh, right there, there. I see you.
Yeah. Yeah, not too bad tonight.
For real?
Doing
Good money?
2,700
That's freaking good.
in one day, but I was working since this morning.
Yeah, yeah.
And work from woke up 4 o'clock this morning, and then we call here at 8 o'clock, and then after that we gotta go.
Huh?
Right there.
Oh, that one is nice.
Get the other one too. The other one up there.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
Tripod.
She said nothing.